Hey, what's up guys, I'm Micheal back again with an analysis video. So this video I'm also analyzing the EURUSD, and as you can see this is EURUSD on daily time frame. I already marked key levels on EURUSD, so let me explain these key levels I marked on EURUSD. So let me start all the way from this point. As you can see, in this period we have a resistance level at this point, which will take price, and price fell all the way down to this point. And this level has the support level. As you can see, this level rejected price, and price made an attempt to retest this resistance level. And this resistance level once again rejected price, and price fell all the way down to this point, meaning that during this period this level was the second support level for EURUSD. It was the first support level, then the second support level. This level rejected price, and price made an attempt to retest this support level, which stands as the resistance level, as you can see. So this level rejected price the first time, second time, and the third time, and price fell all the way down to this point, breaking this support level, as you can see. So this level now stands as a support level for EURUSD during the period, and price made an attempt to retest this support level, and this support level stands as a resistance level, and it's rejected price, and price fell all the way down to this point, meaning that this support level rejected price the first time, also the second time. Having been rejected the second time, price made an attempt to retest this level, but as you can see, midway price was rejected and price fell all the way down to this point, meaning that on EURUSD this is the current major support level on EURUSD. So this rejected price, and price went up to this point, as you can see. So this level, if you can come back to this period, you can see that this level was the support level during this period, and as you can see, it stands as a resistance level for EURUSD currently, and it has a rejected price, and price is likely to fall all the way down to this point. So let me switch to the H4 time frame so I can show you on a wider view what is happening on EURUSD currently. So this is EURUSD on the H4 time frame, and this is the major support level that is now acting as a resistance level right now. Then we now have the major support level right here. So as you can see, price was rejected at this point, and price went up, but price was consolidating in between a minor resistance level and a minor support level, until price eventually broke this minor resistance level and made an attempt to test the major resistance level, as you can see. So this level has rejected price, and price is falling all the way down, and price is likely to retest this major support level. So let me explain what you should do for this week, how you should trade the EURUSD. So as you can see, my bias is on sell because I believe that this level has rejected price, and price is likely to fall all the way down to this point. But I believe that there will still be some traders that have a bullish bias. So if you are thinking of buying the EURUSD, then I will advise you to wait patiently for price to fall all the way down to this point. So this is the minor support level, as you can see. So if you see a rejection at this point, maybe a bullish reversal candle, you can place a buy stop order right above it, then apply your risk management. But be careful of this major minor resistance level right here, and this major resistance level right here. You need to be careful of these levels. But when price gets to this point, if we do not see a rejection, then you have to wait for price to get fall all the way down to this point. So if you see a rejection at this point, then you can place a buy stop order right above it. Then be careful of this point, because this level marked as a resistance level for price, also this level and this level. But if your bias is same as mine, you are looking to enter EURUSD on the sell position, then I will advise you to wait patiently for price to get to this point. If you do not see any rejection and price probably broke this level, you can place a sell stop order right below it, then apply your proper risk management. Or let's assume that price was rejected at this point and price probably went up to retest this resistance level. You can take it as a second opportunity to enter EURUSD sell position. So if you see rejection at this point, probably a bearish candle, you can place a sell stop order right below it and apply your risk management. So that's all on EURUSD analysis. If you do enjoy, please hit the like button, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. So that's all from me. See you in the next video. Peace.